we'll guide you through how to find a Gmail account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Google Account Recovery page in your web browser. This is where you can try to recover your Gmail account. If you remember your email address, enter it. If not, click on the Find My Email link. You'll be asked to enter the phone number or recovery email associated with the account, then click Next. A verification code will be sent to the method you selected. Enter this code and hit Next again. If everything matches, you should see a list of accounts associated with that recovery method. Choose the account you're trying to find. If you're prompted for a password and you don't remember it, you can click Forgot Password to initiate a password reset. If you have trouble receiving the verification code, double-check your recovery options and ensure they are up to date. You can update your recovery options by signing into your Google account and navigating to the security section. Look for ways we can verify it's you, and make sure your recovery email and phone number are current. This ensures you can always recover your account in the future. It's also important to keep your recovery information private and secure to prevent unauthorized access. If you still can't find your account, consider reaching out to Google's support for further assistance, although they have limited direct support for free accounts. Regularly updating your recovery information and keeping track of your accounts is key to preventing these issues. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.